scholars, your maths educator is here again with a revision session. We are going to do the workbook of chapter number 10, that is measurement, and likewise we are going to revise the chapter. Okay, fine. So in this chapter we saw that there are different units of measurements. For this is the mass related thing, this is the capacity related thing, and this is the length, okay, or kilometers, meters or centimeter. So for these three different things you have different units of measurement. Okay, you cannot weigh your weight by centimeter, or you cannot have a tank or full of kilometer. Yes, so there are different measurements. So for the mass, okay, you have meter and you have gram and kilograms, fine. And for the capacity you have liter and milliliters, and for the length you have kilometers, meters and centimeter. Now the standard units of mass is gram, the standard unit of capacity is liter, and the standard unit of length is meter. Fine, that's why it's written in bold letters. Clear? Then we saw the very important chart, that is the units of measurement chart. You have to convert the units, and this chart is very important. Okay, and I have given you the trick of memorizing it with a sentence known as King Harry don't usually drink chocolate milk. Now every initials represents one unit, fine, and it is in the staircase. So when you move down, that is from the bigger unit to the smaller unit, you multiply. Okay, and when you move up, that is from the smaller units to the larger units, you divide it. Okay, so when you move down, it's multiplication, when you move up, it's division. Fine. And we saw certain conversion related sums also. So now let's open your workbook to worksheet number 1, which is on the page 49 of your workbook. Fine, wherein I have taken certain sums and the rest of the sums you have to solve by your own. Okay, we will discuss certain sums in the Zoom lecture also. Clear? Now the third sum says 2000 meter is equal to what? Now let's check out all the options possible. Fine, the first option is 200 centimeter. Now the meter is here and centimeter you are moving downwards, that's why you will multiply. And anyhow 2000 multiplied by 100 will give me 2 lakh. So 2000 meter will be 2 lakh centimeters. So this centimeter is not my right option. Again let me see where is the centimeter. This is the centimeter. So 2 lakh answer aana chahiye. So this is also not the right option. Now let's check out these two. Okay. Now meter is to be converted into millimeter. Meter is to be converted into millimeter. You are moving downwards. You have to multiply. Fine. So 2 lakh multiplied by 2000 multiplied by 1000 will give me so much of the zeros. But here it's only 2 0. So this is not my right option. That's what I conclude. Now let's move on to the 2 kilometers option. Obviously it's the answer. Okay. As such, last option is there, and we will check out also. Now meter to kilometer, you are jumping upwards, so you will divide. So 2000 divided by 1000 will give me 2 kilometer. Yes, so this is my right option. Fine. Let's move on to the next question, which says 6 number, and herein we have done the correction here in the B section, B option. Fine. Now it says 1 meter and 200 centimeter. Fine. So 200 centimeter you already have in your hand. Let's check out the first option. It says 1 centimeter 1.2 centimeter. Yes. So it's 1 centimeter point something. But in your hand you already have 200 centimeter. So this is not the right option, because you already have more centimeter, that is 200 centimeter. And here it's saying only 1 centimeter point something something. So this is not the right option. Okay. Now the B section, let's check out 3 meter. So I think there is a possibility. See, because it's 1 meter, and if I convert 200 centimeter, here it's centimeter, I convert it into meter. So I have to divide it by 100. So it would be 200 divided by 100 will give me 2 meters. So 2 meter plus 1 meter will give me 3 meters. So this is my right option. Okay. Likewise, I can do that. 1 meter I can convert it into centimeter. 1 meter, if I convert it into centimeter, it will be 100 centimeter. Yes, so 100 centimeter plus 200 centimeter will give me 300 centimeter. Okay, so 300 centimeter will be equal to 3 meters. Yes, so either of the ways you can do. Either you can convert centimeter into meter and get the answer, or you can convert meter into centimeter and then convert the whole answer into meter. As such, we have done that way, the second way here. Fine. So we have 300 centimeter as a right answer. So this is also not the right option. This is also not the right option. Would it be 300 centimeter? Then I would have considered these options. Okay. So my right answer is 3 meter. Fine. Now let's move on to the next question, which says 1 kilometer and 600 meter. Fine. Now 600 meter is there. Okay. So let's convert it meter into kilometer, or let's convert kilometer into meters. Fine. So what's the conversion unit? Yes, what's the conversion unit? 1 kilometer will be equal to 1000 meter. That's what the conversion unit is. So, okay, so 1 kilometer, so it will be 1000. 1000 plus 600 meter will be 1600 kilometers. Sorry, 1600 meters. So this is not my right option. Okay, are you getting? It's meter. Fine. So this is not the right option. Let's check out the B part. Now from kilometers you are moving to centimeters. So you are moving downwards, you will multiply it by so many. It's, I suppose, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So these are also not in the lakhs. Okay, centimeter wala. So these both are not the right options. Fine. The last option is 1600 meter. So 1000 kilometer will be 1000 meter plus 600 meter will give me 1600 meter. So that's the correct answer. Fine. Now let's move on to the next worksheet, wherein you have 7 kilometer 20 meter is equal to how much meter? So first of all, let's have the conversion. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 7 kilometer will be 7000 meter, and 2 meter 20 meter is pending. So 7020 meter will be my answer. Okay. Now let's have the second question. 5.5 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Now kids, if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then half kilometer will be half of 1000. What is that? 500. Yes. So half kilometer will be 500 meter. Okay. Now 5 kilometer will be 5000 meter and half kilometer will be 500 meter. So 5000 plus 500 will give me 5500 meter. Clear? Now let's have the other option, 6900 meter. Now you have to convert it into kilometer and meter. Fine. Now you have to divide, because you are moving upwards. That is from meter, here you are moving to kilometer. Okay. So what's my conversion unit? 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometers. So it will be 6 kilometers and 900 meter. If you divide, you will get 900 as a remainder. Fine. Let's have the other option. 960 centimeter is equal to how much meter and how much centimeter? So centimeter you are converting it into meter. You are moving upwards, you will divide. Okay, you will divide by 100. So it will be 9 meter and 60 centimeter. Fine. This table is very much important. Okay, so make it very thorough. You should be very thorough with this. Now worksheet number 2, I am again having certain sums all related to liter or capacity, which says 6 liter and 213 milliliter is equal to how many milliliter? Now you already have 213 milliliter. Let's convert 6 liter into milliliter. So 6 liter will be 6000 milliliter plus 213 milliliter. So it will be 6213. Okay. Let's have the other question. 4.5 liter. So how many milliliter that is? That will be 4 liter will be 4000 milliliter and half liter will be 500 milliliter. Yes, so 4000 plus 500 milliliter will give me 4500 milliliter. Okay, now see kids, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So it's obvious that half of 1 will be half liter and half of 1000 will be 500. So half liter will be equal to 500 milliliter. Yes, okay. Now let's have the other question which says 7932 milliliter will be equal to how many liters and how many milliliter. Fine. So it will be obvious because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 liter. So here I will have 7 liter and 932 milliliter. Fine. Let's take the other example. 5000 milliliter is 5 liters. Yes, because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 liter. So you will divide it by 1000 and you will get 5 as your answer. Now let's move on to the next unit. Okay, let's have the question which says 5 kg and 80 gram will be equal to how many grams? Now 1 kg will be equal to 100 grams. So we have 5 kg equal to 5000 grams. Okay, I told you 100 grams, it's 1000 grams, yes. So 5 kilogram will be equal to 5000 grams and 80 grams will give me 5080 gram. Clear? Let's have the other question which says 7.5 kg will be equal to how many gram? So 7 kg will be 7000 grams and for half kg we will have 500. So 7500 gram will be my answer. Okay. Now let's have the other question which says 6714 gram. So obviously it will be because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 6000 gram will be equal to how many kgs? It will be 6 kg. Yes, and 714 gram left over. Fine. The next question is 8000 gram is equal to how many kilogram? So it will be obviously 8 because 8000 divided by 1000 will give you 8. Okay. Now let's move on to the worksheet 4 wherein you have spot the error. Okay, or mental maths questions. Let's take the first question, that is the third part I have taken, which says 35 meter of cloth made into 10 equal pieces will be dash. So first of all, let's have 35 meter, okay, divided by 10. So 35 meter divided by 10 will be what? 3.5 meter. Yes, so let's check out whether I have that option. 3.5 meter, there is no option. So let's now convert this meter. So first of all, this is a meter unit, okay, it's 0.35 meter. So this is not my right option. Now meter, if I convert it into centimeter, I have to multiply it by 100. Yes, so 3.5 multiplied by 100 will give me 350 centimeter. Yes, so this is my right option. So 350 centimeter is the right option, so 3.5 cannot be the right option. So this is not the right option. And for the millimeters, this is also not the right option because you are moving from meter to millimeter. So you are moving downwards, so you have to multiply it by 1000. So 3.5 meter multiplied by 1000 will give you 350 millimeters. Okay, sorry, 3500 milliliter. So this is also not the right option. So my option is 350 centimeter. Clear? Fine. Now let's have the B part, which says a medicine dropper will hold 2 liter of medicine. Now you remember kids, the dropper which is used for the medicine purpose, it's very small. How can it hold 2 liter of medicine? It will have a smaller unit because this dropper is itself a smaller object. Yes, so it will have not 2 liter but it will have 2 milliliter because it's too small. Fine. So only 2 drops I can say it will have. So it will be 2 milliliter. Fine. Milliliter is a smaller unit. Now this next question, the weight of a book is measured with the help of a ruler. Now what you are measuring? You are measuring the weight of a book and that too with a ruler. So that's not a possible. Yes, you can have the length of the book measured with the ruler, or you can have the weight of the book measured with kilograms. Yes, so the right statement says its length can be measured with the help of ruler. So with this we complete the workbook section. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.